my channel CA Gayatris Education, and I am CA Gayatris Shetty, and today we are going to discuss about intangible assets. What are intangible assets? Intangible assets are those assets whose presence cannot be seen or felt, or we can say in another word, they are non-physical presence. The intangible assets like the intellectual property like copyright, trademark, license, and goodwill. These intangible assets needs to be valued, and the valuation has to be done by professional experts who have an expertise in valuation methods. Okay, and there are three methods which can be used to assess the value of the intangible assets. Those methods are income approach, cost approach, and the market approach, and the method depends upon the data available to us for those intangible assets. As well, we also know whether the intangible assets valuation method data, along with the data, we need to know the method which will be best applicable for those assets. Okay, and then this intangible assets need to be valued. Why it is crucial? It is crucial to know the value of these assets, intangible assets, along with the tangible assets of the business for certain points. Let us discuss those points now. Why do we need to value the intangible assets? Intangible assets are valued first of all for asset management. In various companies, the management of the assets can be only accurately done when the valuation of the intangible assets are done, right? Second, in all the companies need to mention the value of the intangible assets in the financial statements in order to show the true net worth of the business. Okay. Even the investor decision making, investors need the decision, they take decisions about in which company they will spend their money, where they will invest. The investment decisions can only be done with know the true value of a business, and the true value of a business can only be possible if the valuation of intangibles is done properly and accurately. Okay. Then we can say that along with the investor decision, we have to also see asset management. It have to reporting of the financial reporting of the companies is to be done in order to show the true and worth of the business at the end of the particular time, or the financial health of the business. Okay. And this strategic planning, different strategic plannings have to be taken on the valuation of the assets, and the assets include the intangible assets valuation as well as intangible. So intangible assets valuation cannot be left out for taking the decision of strategic planning for any business. For example, they want to merger or acquisition or demerger, whatever decision they have to take. Then for legal purposes, for in case there is any bankruptcy or there is a legal dispute waiting for the intangible assets between those decisions, though for that reason also you need to take the decision on the basis of the intangible assets valued. Okay. Then for tax purposes, if we are going to for depreciation, for amortization, for demerger, in those cases also we need the valuation of the intangible assets to be done accurately and precisely. So we can see sum up as a whole, the valuation of intangible assets is very crucial because they help us guide taking different strategic planning, different strategies, investment decisions. They help to know the financial health of a business on a particular date, and as a whole, if we miss out on the valuation of the intangible assets as a whole, we cannot know the true worth of a business on a particular day. Thank you.